Hi, today we're going to take a look at how you can remove the exhaust fan in the toilet or the bathrooms and clean off the dust. They are quite easy to take off. Just make sure that you find a small gap in the opening. There should be an arrow pointing, indicate that's where you should put your finger in and pull out the cover. You can see it's quite dirty and a lot of dust. As you can see there is a gap right there. That's where you're supposed to pull out. It has an arrow right there for you to see. So here's the arrow, and you can see there is a small gap right there for you to put your finger in. Now just put the exhaust fan in the sink or in the laundry basin, and then just wash it off. It should be fairly easy to wash off. Just basically dust accumulation over time. So just get a brush with water. If possible, use warm water. Very easy to clean off the dust. So give it a few strokes, quite straightforward. Give it a scrub on the outside as well as the inside. Now you may also want to give the fan a few scrub as well. Just get a wet towel and then just clean off the dust, and that will make it clean. So here I got a glove, hand glove with a rags. So I'm just going to clean off the dust around there. So just clean off. After it is fairly clean, you can put the cover back on. Now it's quite easy to put it back on. Just push it in, line them up in a circle, and then just push it in, and it should snap into place. And that's it. That's how you can clean your exhaust fan cover in the toilet or in the bathroom. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.